Hello everybody, once again welcome to Armstrong Computers channel. My name is Prince Costi. Today so you can call me Prince Armstrong of Armstrong Computers. Now you can see we've been learning all the time. If you're still student there learning, preparing towards the examination, not enough of the learning. Let's look at some particular tools. There is a tool that we need to learn and know how the tool is being used. Let's assume that you have an image file, okay, JPEG file. You wanted to convert that into Microsoft Word. How do we do that? Now, as we are learning, preparing towards examination, this is also a tool tip for us to learn and know how to execute this wherever we find ourselves. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, to get started, as you can see here, this is my kind of a timetable that is sent to me when I click on image file. So I'm going to download that, and after that I'm going to convert that into Microsoft. But first, let's download this. So I'll click on this and download it from my WhatsApp. So you can see here it has been downloaded. So when I come to my download, you can see that this is the file here. Okay, now we've seen the file. Let's dash straight to our browser and I'll see the tool that we are going to use to convert this picture file into a Word document. So now on my Google, I'll go ahead and type a particular thing. What I'm going to type, what image, okay? So I'm going to type image to text. Image to text. So that's then press enter. So after I press enter, I'll look through. I'd like you to select the third link here. Okay, free online OSCR image to text and with PDF to doc, which is Word. Okay, conversion. Click on that. So when you click on this, it's going to bring you to this website. Don't be alarmed. Now you can see here, you can equally convert to a PDF to Word, okay, PDF to Excel, and a PDF to doc, and a PDF to image. Now this is kind of a research that I did, and I came across this website. I wanted to share that with you. Now come think of it, if you want to then go ahead to convert, how do you call it, your image to Word document, just come to this very side where we have a select file. Click on it. And after I click on select file, this is the file we just downloaded. I'll click on that and go ahead and click on open. Then wait for a while. You can see the file has been uploaded. Then go ahead and click on convert and wait for 10 seconds. Done. So it has finished processing, and you can see download output file. So I'll go ahead and click on download up to output file. That's the output file. And you can see here it's downloading here. So I'll go here and click on show in folder, and you can see this is it here, show in folder. Let's double click on it for it to open in Microsoft Word. So I'll go ahead and double click on it for it to open in Microsoft Word. Ta-da! You can see here, so it has converted everything to Microsoft Word for me, but don't be alarmed. Go ahead and click on what we have, enable editing. I'll click on that and close this, and I'm good to go. Now, for instance, let's actually want to change the font from, I don't know what our font is, it's Area. So from Area to Times New Roman. How do I do that? I hold on to Ctrl+A and click on look through the home ribbon under the fonts logical group and click there and type Times New Roman. Press enter. The whole thing is changed to Times New Roman. Let's assume that I'd like to just edit by removing database management. I want to remove the management here. I'll highlight on that, backspace, and I'm good to go. Let's assume also that I wanted to change it to 2024 to 2025. I'll just click here, backspace, and put 5. So you can equally do this when someone sends a picture file to you. You can equally use this very tool, but you can equally go to Google and then just type image to text and make sure you select the free. This is a free, but you don't need to pay anything, and you are good to go. And I hope this lesson has helped you out there, and let's try it and leave a comment and tell me how this has helped you out there. Remember, my name is Prince Armstrong. You can easily call me Prince Costi of Armstrong Computers. Live long and be strong, and I'll catch you in the next lesson so far as a tool tip and also question and answers are concerned. Bye-bye.